Hi, just a quick little video. Today is Monday and the postman has been here. Monday can be drab. Everybody's back to work. Everybody's in a bad mood. Getting their heads chewed off and their butts chewed by their wives and their girlfriends and the dog and the cat. But not me, because here I have a shipment from the Virginia store on eBay, and that means Victorinox cutlery. So let's open it up, find out what's inside. Virginia store Swiss Army knife. Thank you, grazie, merci, gracias. Look at that. It's a Pioneer Solo. Holy mother. And then here we have there we have it, a Pioneer Solo, silver A-locks. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. There's a fair old spring on these things. I got bitten by one last week, you can see here, and it hurts. Oh, look at this. That is ruby. That's a Tinker. A Tinker is very similar to a Spartan, except it has a Phillips head instead of corkscrew. Okay, so that's it. You can check these knives out in greater detail in my other videos. For now, I'd like to say thank you to Virginia store, and I'll be back. Thanks for watching. Take care. Subscribe to my channel.